Do we go all the way in?
Yeah.
Should we hold on?
SV2, you are clear to land. Initiating in 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
Whoa.
Wow, look out.
You're riding aboard the Mark V Stellarator, the latest in space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the eastern seaboard. Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with a
What the heck?
SV2, we're on our final approach. Roger that.
If you look above, you'll see Centauri Space Station coming into view.
Oh boy.
Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open air lock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.
Oh my goodness.
SV2 cleared for arrival.
This is like a ride.
Generator active.
Airlock activated.
Oh wow.
Docking complete.
Woo!
Nice. Wow, we finally made it to space.
Alright, welcome to Centauri Space Station.
Thank you. Here we are.
Boarding right here. We're gonna see your table.
Oh my gosh, James, I'm impressed. Look at the
Look at-
cauliflower.
There you go.
Cauliflower.
Why is it just a void?
That is so neat.
Where the aliens at?
John?
Yes. So that's these three are for John.
So I have you guys all as a party of 5,
Oh,
but
sure.
we are gonna be splitting you up at table.
Okay.
How are you doing today? Good to hear.
Oh my
Yeah,
Oh, this is
Oh, this is so cool.
You're 220 miles above Epsilon.
That's sick. That's awesome. Oh man, this thing's like dirty. Wow, that is actually sweet though.
It's looking a little flat from up here.
I like how all of us have our cameras off.
That looks so good.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Like, dude, so I ordered 2 things, like a drink and calamari, and that's $48.
We do it by 4.
Do you want some
What
steak?
do you want?
How is it?
Delayed? Great. It's so
What
good.
is this, a potato pot thing?
Here, you want a piece?
You
Sure.
can take some mine.
Let's try a little bit, Johnny.
That's really good. What do you think the sauce?
James, look at this little